Well, hi there, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Kleneski here on what should be another fairly quiet day out there today after a little bit of active weather last night. We had some severe weather in southwest Nebraska and the north central portions of Kansas, even an isolated severe storm a couple of hours ago in southeastern Nebraska. But things are quiet now. Weak high pressure building in, leading to mostly clear skies. Should be mostly sunny today. And very similar to yesterday, temperature-wise, we'll see the 80s and 90s with the warmest conditions to the south and southwest once again on the other side of that frontal boundary. And that frontal boundary will be the focus for maybe some isolated thunderstorm activity late tonight across mainly northern portions of Nebraska. That's going to be the best chance. And it should be a mild one out there with that front moving northward, more upper 60s and lower 70s. Some clouds thickening up a little bit for tomorrow morning, but I think we'll still see mostly sunny skies tomorrow, maybe a few more clouds up north. Hotter conditions though, with that front lifting well to our north, we're going to see a lot more 90s out there with maybe some 80s in the far northeast. Breezier south and southeast winds at around 10 to 20, 25 miles per hour. And by the end of the day, we're going to watch for some showers and storms to develop with a better chance coming in as we head towards Wednesday night. About a 30% chance we see some of those. If we do see severe weather on Wednesday night, the best chance is going to be in northern Nebraska, where there is a slight risk of severe weather for late tomorrow into tomorrow night. Closer to an area of low pressure, a little more shear in the atmosphere, a little more forcing up to the north there. So I think better odds for severe weather in the northern part of the viewing area. Now for today, again, I expect quiet conditions with temps in the mid to upper 80s up north. Again, all these temps very similar to yesterday. We'll see low to mid 90s towards the west here. To the south, down in northern Kansas, mid, possibly even upper 90s. South central Nebraska, upper 80s to lower 90s for this afternoon. And off towards the east, we're also looking at upper 80s and lower 90s. So that's a look at what we have for today. For the next several days, again, here comes the heat for the rest of the week. A lot more 90s out there. As for chances of rain, mostly evening and overnight chances for showers and thunderstorms. Again, tonight up north, tomorrow night a little bit better chance, a slight chance on Thursday night. Late Friday, or during the day even Friday, a slight chance with a little bit better chance Friday night. Then heading into the weekend, we start to see the influences of a cold front coming through. So I think the southeastern parts of the viewing area still make the 90s. And right now I'm going with upper 80s, possibly close to 90 on Saturday here in the Tri-Cities with cooler weather to the northwest. Going to go with a 30% chance of showers and storms again Saturday into Saturday night. Late Saturday night after midnight, heading into Sunday morning, a little bit better chance that we see more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity with that frontal boundary coming through. And that's going to lead to more comfortable conditions early next week, highs in the upper 70s. Right now it looks like dry conditions Monday, but more showers and thunderstorms could follow Monday night right into areas, time periods even beyond our 7-day forecast. It looks like comfortable conditions, but also fairly wet conditions off and on heading into much of next week. So yeah, we'll start the first couple of days of the state fair fairly warm, if not hot, but again, more comfortable conditions, but also may have to be prepared for some rainfall out there, as well as we do have several chances in the forecast, especially towards the end of that 7-day forecast and even a little bit beyond. So that's what you can expect for at least the next 7 days and a little bit beyond that as well. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Hope you have a great Tuesday.